What happened?
That's ours.
No, it's yours from Senpai Fabian.
What's in there, Mommy? What's in there?
You gotta open it.
In my toy?
I don't know. You gotta open it. What is it?
What is this?
What is it?
What's this? What's this?
Let me see. Oh, it's a Buzz Lightyear gun. Wow. You like it? Maki, you like it?
Yeah, I have to open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Are you going to say thank you to Senpai Fabian and to Miss Liz?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Senpai Fabian.
Thank you, Papa, Miss Liz.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.